Hi guys, how you doing? How am I doing? I'm pooped. 2 days of packing non-stop, packing boxes. And the guys are loading the trucks and I'm handing them off more boxes and oh Lord, they had to get two huge huge U-Haul trucks, and they have two trailers, and Tom's afraid they're not going to make it. Wait a minute. Sorry, I had to take the hot dog off of my teeth. I stopped at Pilot on I-75. I'm in Tennessee, and so I was hungry. I was on the verge of being angry, but so I hadn't. Only thing I had to eat today was a small fry from McDonald's and a large Coke and two graham crackers. So I was really hungry, so I splurged. I had a hot dog and some cheese. I love these things, but I gotta be careful. I don't want to blow up like a balloon. Yeah, I looked at McDonald's. I'm thinking, oh, maybe I'll have an ice cream, but no, I don't need an ice cream tonight. I'm good. I had my hot dog, and it was wonderful. Yeah, Sammy's. Hey, you want to see something? Did you see that? Hold on, maybe I'll do yeah. Okay, yes, I brought my garden with me. I babied these plants so much. I wasn't going to leave them there, and I wasn't going to leave them with Tom, because who knows? Everything going on, they might forget to water it. So anyway, Tommy, we were indulging ourselves on the little tomatoes this morning. I did have a tomato. That's right, I had a tomato. Sorry, forgot that. Anywho, the dark green plant is my green pepper plant, and I've got like 8 buds on it. I'm so excited. I thought sure I was only going to get 1 pepper, and so I had a talk with myself and said, self, don't worry about it. If you only get 1, you'll save it for seed, okay? So don't sweat the small stuff. This season was a practice season. When I get over by Marlene's, I am going to plant some fall crops, and don't exactly know where I'm going to keep them yet, but I'm going to do it. I want to try the potato thing again in a bucket, and I figured, oh, okay, I'll maybe make an exchange. Maybe I'll leave some stuff at Dave's house and take my plants with me. Okay, anyway, that's where we are right now. I'll try and get on track. It's pack, and I've been trying my best to get these curtains done, but I didn't make it. So Yeah, I'll make it sooner. I've only got about maybe 2 feet more to stitch together, and then the 2 panels would be done. Okay, and then I have to put the trimming around it, and maybe I don't know. I was thinking about a backing to them, and what I thought I'd do is put a dark. I hate to do black, but maybe I'll do a dark gray to match the van inside. Only so the light won't go through the material as well. Okay, because I want to be able to see out. I want to be able to peek through the curtains and see if there's anyone out there. It drives me nuts. I guess I'm claustrophobic or something. I don't know. I can't stand to be closed in. Yeah, and people say, well, you live in a van, for crying out loud. No, it doesn't bother me, because I got windows all around, and that makes me happy. When I was at Tom's house, I was staying in my oldest grandson's room, and there's some debate on what his nickname's going to be, so I'm just going to call him the old one right now. But I was staying in his room, and they only have one window in there, and it's like the size of what a tiny house would be, maybe a little smaller, but the fact that it didn't have windows all around, no, that's not good, not good. So anyway, when I get back down to Florida, Tom's either gonna build me a tiny home, or I'm gonna be looking for a camper. I'd love an old pop-up is what I'd love. Yeah. But he's got to put windows in it. He's got to put a lot of windows. And he says, well, I told him about that, and he says, well, Mom, it's going to be hot, I said, I don't care. I need windows. I need to look out. Yeah. So, anywho. Well, that's it for this one. Don't want to keep you on too long. And I'll be hanging with Marlene, hopefully tomorrow, and see what kind of trouble we can get into. So, take it easy. Take the long way home. Woo-hoo.